belongings behind. For your safety, please remain seated and keep your safety restraints secured at all times. This ride is not recommended for guests with the following health conditions: recent surgery or illness, weak heart,
Kita pa sila.
weak back,
Ryan, di ba nakita? Palagdag niya kaya mabilis na ano po.
Oo.
Oh my God, Brandon. Pwede po bumaba na.
Bababa na nga tayo eh.
Pwede na po bumaba. Ayoko na.
Ang ina, kinakabahan ako. Kaulo, ito na. Pag tumunog yan, pag tumunog.
Lo.
Ayan na. Ah, shit!
please remain seated until the right zone. Please stop. Safety restraints have been